Bonfire Night can be an exciting and fun event for many reasons, but for pets, the evening can be terrifying and confusing. For dogs especially, who have extra sensitive hearing, fireworks can trigger a deep and distressing fear that often means they spend the night cowering or shivering in terror. However, there are a few ways that you can help them to feel less scared, and one of these was shared on social media by dog owner and trainer Charles Stewart, who has 2 American bulldogs of his own. Bulldog Bob, as he's known as on social media, has managed to train his 2 pooches to not react at all to the sound of fireworks, meaning they are no longer scared on Bonfire Night, the Mirror reports. He shared a clip of his 2 dogs chilling on his living room floor as a loud video of fireworks played loudly on the TV. Charles explained while one of his dogs was never scared of fireworks, the other one used to be terrified. To help him become less scared, he'd used a technique that involved exposing them gradually to the sound of fireworks on YouTube, getting slightly louder over time. He explained, "I thought I would use my 2 as an example for ways of getting around anxiety and fear of fireworks. You should be doing this months and months in advance of fireworks night. Build up and up and up so if they're outside having a pee when one goes off, it's not going to terrify them." Thousands of people in the UK sign petitions to ban the sale of fireworks each year, but according to Charles, this may not be the answer. Instead, he believes it's pet owners' responsibility to keep their animals safe, and train them accordingly so they aren't so scared. Claiming his technique can also help young children grow accustomed to the noise of fireworks, he said, "This is what people should be doing at home instead of petitioning to ban fireworks. It's never going to happen. We should be resolving the problem, not moaning about it. I do feel sorry for the dogs that get scared, but we should be doing things to prevent it." Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up, and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. Blue Cross animal behaviorist Becky Skyrim backed this method of training and said dogs should gradually be prepared for the noises of Guy Fawkes Night. A great way to do this is by familiarizing them with the sound of fireworks, which can be done by playing a recording of fireworks via a speaker, she said. Becky also shared another tip to help dogs feel more comfortable and secure while at home: prepare a den for your dog where they can feel safe and comfortable, perhaps under a bed with some of your old clothes, she said. They may like to hide there when the fireworks start. Newsletter here.